don't compare yourself with anyone in this world. If you do so, you are insulting yourself. Bill Gates' statement, don't compare yourself with anyone in this world. If you do so, you are insulting yourself, conveys a profound message about the importance of individuality and the harmful effects of self-comparison. This sentence highlights the necessity of recognizing and valuing one's unique qualities and experiences, while also warning against the negative consequences of measuring oneself against others. Analyzing this statement reveals deep insights into self-acceptance, personal growth, and the promotion of self-respect. The opening advice, don't compare yourself with anyone in this world, sets the tone for the importance of embracing individuality. Gates emphasizes that every person has a distinct set of qualities, experiences, and journeys that make them unique. By discouraging comparison, he encourages individuals to appreciate their own strengths, achievements, and potential without feeling the need to measure up to others. This perspective fosters a mindset of self-acceptance and personal growth, allowing individuals to focus on their own path rather than being distracted by the successes or failures of others. The latter part of the sentence, if you do so, you are insulting yourself, underscores the detrimental effects of self-comparison. By framing comparison as an insult, Gates highlights how such behavior devalues one's own worth and achievements. This powerful language suggests that comparing oneself to others can lead to feelings of inadequacy, diminished self-esteem, and a lack of appreciation for one's unique contributions and potential. The act of comparison is portrayed as a self-inflicted harm that undermines personal dignity and respect. Furthermore, Gates' statement promotes the idea of self-respect and self-acceptance. It implies that recognizing and valuing one's own worth is essential for personal well-being and growth. By avoiding comparisons, individuals can cultivate a sense of confidence and self-respect that is not contingent on external validation or benchmarks. This perspective empowers individuals to celebrate their own progress and achievements, fostering a positive self-image and a healthier approach to personal development. In conclusion, Bill Gates' statement, don't compare yourself with anyone in this world. If you do so, you are insulting yourself, offers a powerful message about the importance of individuality and the harmful effects of comparison. It encourages individuals to embrace their unique qualities and experiences, promoting a mindset of self-acceptance and personal growth. By warning against the negative consequences of comparison, Gates emphasizes the value of self-respect and the importance of recognizing one's own worth. Ultimately, this wisdom inspires individuals to focus on their own journey, fostering a sense of confidence and fulfillment that is essential for personal success and well-being. It's fine to celebrate success, but it is more important to heed the lessons of failure. Bill Gates' statement, it's fine to celebrate success, but it is more important to heed the lessons of failure, offers a profound insight into the balanced approach to achievement and personal growth. This statement underscores the value of recognizing and celebrating accomplishments while emphasizing the critical importance of learning from failures. Analyzing this sentence reveals essential insights into how both success and failure play integral roles in personal and professional development. The opening phrase, it's fine to celebrate success, acknowledges the positive and rewarding experience of achieving goals and milestones. Celebrating success is an important aspect of acknowledging hard work, effort, and progress. It boosts morale, motivation, and a sense of accomplishment, reinforcing the behaviors and strategies that led to success. Celebrations can also foster a positive environment, encouraging individuals and teams to continue striving for excellence. However, Gates introduces a crucial contrast with the conjunction but, suggesting that while celebrating success is valuable, there is an aspect that holds even greater significance: it is more important to heed the lessons of failure. This part of the statement shifts the focus to the importance of learning from failures. It suggests that failures, often viewed negatively, provide essential insights and lessons that are critical for future success. By emphasizing the need to heed the lessons of failure, Gates highlights the value of adopting a growth mindset. A growth mindset views failures not as setbacks but as opportunities for learning and improvement. Failures can reveal weaknesses, mistakes, and areas needing development, offering valuable feedback that can inform future strategies and decisions. This perspective encourages individuals to approach failures with a reflective and open attitude, seeking to understand the underlying causes and learn from them. The balanced perspective provided by Gates' statement promotes continuous learning and development. It encourages individuals to celebrate their achievements, recognizing the hard work and dedication that led to success. Simultaneously, it urges them to delve deeper into their failures, extracting lessons and insights that can drive future growth. This dual approach fosters resilience, adaptability, and a commitment to ongoing improvement. In conclusion, Bill Gates' statement, "It's fine to celebrate success, but it is more important to heed the lessons of failure," offers a nuanced perspective on the roles of success and failure in personal and professional growth. Celebrating success is essential for motivation and recognition of effort. However, the greater importance lies in learning from failures, as they provide invaluable lessons that pave the way for future success. Gates' wisdom encourages a balanced approach, combining the joy of celebration with the critical reflection of failure, ultimately fostering a mindset of continuous learning and development. This perspective empowers individuals to navigate their journeys with resilience and adaptability, embracing both successes and failures as integral components of their growth and achievement. We always overestimate the change that will occur in the next 2 years and underestimate the change that will occur in the next 10. Don't let yourself be lulled into inaction. Bill Gates' statement, "We always overestimate the change that will occur in the next 2 years and underestimate the change that will occur in the next 10. Don't let yourself be lulled into inaction," provides a profound perspective on human tendencies regarding change and progress. This statement highlights the common misjudgments about the pace and magnitude of change over different time frames, and it serves as a caution against the dangers of inaction. Analyzing this sentence reveals valuable insights into the importance of realistic expectations, the pitfalls of complacency, and the necessity of sustained effort. The opening part of the sentence, "We always overestimate the change that will occur in the next 2 years," addresses the common tendency to have unrealistic expectations about the speed and amount of change in the near future. People often anticipate rapid progress or immediate results, leading to an overestimation of short-term change. This overestimation can result in disappointment when changes do not occur as quickly as expected, potentially discouraging further efforts. Conversely, the statement continues, "and underestimate the change that will occur in the next 10. This phrase points out that people typically fail to fully appreciate the magnitude of change that can happen over a longer period. While immediate changes might seem slow or insignificant, the cumulative effect of consistent effort over a decade can lead to substantial and impactful transformations. This underestimation of long-term change can cause individuals to overlook the potential of sustained efforts and long-term planning." The concluding caution, "Don't let yourself be lulled into inaction," warns against the complacency and passivity that can arise from these misjudgments. Overestimating short-term change and underestimating long-term change can lead to a lack of action. Individuals might become disheartened by the slow pace of immediate progress or fail to plan adequately for significant future developments. This statement encourages proactive behavior and continuous effort, regardless of immediate results or perceived long-term challenges. Gates' insight underscores the importance of maintaining a balanced perspective on change. It suggests that while immediate changes might not always meet our expectations, significant progress accumulates over time. Recognizing this can motivate individuals to persist in their efforts and maintain a long-term vision. By emphasizing the risk of inaction, Gates encourages a proactive approach to personal and professional growth, reminding individuals that meaningful progress often requires patience, persistence, and strategic planning. In conclusion, Bill Gates' statement, "We always overestimate the change that will occur in the next 2 years and underestimate the change that will occur in the next 10. Don't let yourself be lulled into inaction," offers a nuanced perspective on the dynamics of change. It highlights the common misjudgments about short-term and long-term progress, urging individuals to adopt realistic expectations and maintain continuous effort. By cautioning against inaction, Gates emphasizes the importance of proactive behavior, patience, and long-term planning. This wisdom inspires individuals to navigate their journeys with resilience and adaptability, recognizing that significant change often unfolds over extended periods and requires sustained dedication.